All right, we're ready to go through the targeted overtime policy. So you can see here that the file I have open is the expected value targeted overtime policy.r. And we can see that we also restarted our R session in the last save point. So what we'll do in this lecture is go through the template and get set up, and then we'll get ready to do the primer next. So first things first, let's clear out the screen. You can do that by hitting Control and L, and that'll clear out the console. And I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. So we'll go down through this. This is the targeted overtime policy template. The first section is setup. So we're going to first load our libraries, and this is almost identical to the no overtime policy. So we'll just go through it quick. We're going to load our libraries. We're going to load our paths. We're going to load in the data using those paths and the read Excel function. We're going to source our scripts. The one script that we want here is the data processing pipeline.r, and that'll get us this process HR data readable function. It'll convert our raw data to the readable. So we're going to make train readable and test readable. And then we're going to go through the process of creating a recipe using the training set. And we'll use two steps, step 0 variance and step num2 factor. Okay. Next thing, we have our recipe object. So once we prepare that, we can output it. And this is what it should look like. And then we can create our training tibble, which is well formatted using the pre-processing steps. So we'll do that using the bake function. Okay, that's it for the setup portion. Now we'll go into the modeling steps. So that's just firing up H2O init, which initializes H2O. And then we'll load our AutoML leader. And we can output the AutoML leader to the screen. And we can see that we have a model here that has been output. And I'm using my stacked ensemble model again. Okay, so that's it for the setup. I told you it'd be quick. Now we're going to go into the primer working with threshold and rates.